Just recently, I had the opportunity of attending one of the biggest real estate events in the country, the NAREB conference. That's the National Association of Real Estate Brokers. This is an African-American real estate event that was created to support realtists. That's the name African-American realtors took on when they were banned from using the title of realtor. This is an organization of African-American real estate professionals known for promoting democracy in housing. I had a chance to speak with builders in the community, those of us who want to build instead of be consumers, who want to be owners instead of renters.
What's up, y'all? Mike Jenkins with 3D Visions. I'm a real estate developer, and I teach people how to build new construction homes from the ground up. No experience, none of your own personal funds needed.
So none of your personal funds needed. Can you go more into that? That sounds pretty tempting.
So what we're doing is we're operating like the Fortune 500 companies, and we're leveraging other people's money, which is interest-free bank funding, and also 100% construction financing through private lenders or hard money lenders.
What are the qualifications to get into this? Are there any prerequisites for us to start doing this?
The only thing you need to get started is to shift your mindset, to make sure you hire the right mentor, to just take the leap. That's it.
What stumbling blocks do you run into the most with our community?
We're stuck in a consumer mindset, and we're worried about what's going to happen if I invest in myself, if I get the knowledge. We always try to go through YouTube University. So one of the biggest stumbles is people just taking action and taking a leap and getting into it. We're 4.5 million units short in the United States, and we're less than 2% minority developers. So we need to bring that number up. We need to solve the issue. And we need to change the stigma that in order to make money in real estate, to get into real estate, you got to wholesale, you got to flip, you got to be a realtor or a realtist. I'm letting people know you can be a developer in real estate and make money at the highest level like the big boys do.
When it comes to developing or being a developer, what does that entail?
Land acquisition, construction, team, mindset, execution.
Gotcha. Okay. Can you give us a case study of someone that you brought from the ground up who didn't know anything about what you're talking about developing, about real estate, about entrepreneurship, about ownership? Can you give us a case study of anybody that you've mentored and you've seen much success from them?
I'll give y'all one good case study. Y'all can check me out on Instagram at 3dvisions_. One of my first students purchased a property to renovate, only for the city to tell him that he had to tear it down and build new. He immediately got with me. He was able to execute that build by using other people's money and my resources, all while he worked 80 hours a week and raising 2 newborn babies. He was still able to execute.
Man, that's amazing. So you have a program that you offer to the public to help them do this, right?
Yes, so I teach people, regular people just like him, or anybody that just may be into real estate investing and y'all ready for the next level. It's 8 billion people on this earth. Everybody at one point in time wants to build a house from the ground up, and that's what I'm helping people do.
And I think for the community, that's the way we should be heading. You know, instead of being renters or even just owners of houses, we need to have our own communities, right?
And we build our own equity in everything we do, everything we own. We're not buying at the top of the market. We're building on top of the market.
I like that. We're building at the top of the market. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Columbus, Ohio. Y'all can get in contact with me at 3dvisions_. Shoot me a DM, comment. Let's get to it.
Gotcha. Appreciate you, brother.
Yep, for sure.
Hi, how you doing? My name is Antonio Harad, and I'm at the Realtors Conference, which is the NAREB conference right here. Okay, I am a union carpenter, contractor, do contract work for over 20 years now. My wife here, she's also a realtor. We also do investment property. I feel that it's very important that young men learn a trade, because that's something that no one can ever take from you, and you always use it as a skill to make money and be your own boss. And it's nothing like that. I work with certain partners besides, me being a carpenter. I work with electricians, I work with HVAC guys, I work with plumbers. It's a great field to be in.
Gotcha.
Yes.
So, could you tell me how having a husband as a carpenter helps you as an investor and as a realtor?
Yes. Hey, everyone. I'm Kelly Butler. I'm the broker owner of Gateway St. Louis Realty outside of St. Louis. I have been in the real estate industry since probably 97, but I've been licensed as a realtor or an agent, I should say, since 2006. And I had started some investments before meeting my husband many years back prior when I first began purchasing home, which was in my early 20s. And it was property that I had to fix up. And I'm telling you, it was a struggle finding good contractors and honest people to work with to get the job done. I did make some bad decisions. Had some bad dealings, lost some money, but also at the same time, I learned a lot and I grew from it. And so I always wanted to get back into investment after that. And so it was really, really nice to meet someone that can do the work for me, where I didn't have to
Maybe
really
she
work.
married me, so I was carpenter.
That's not
She
true.
married you because you're a carpenter. Okay, I got it.
I didn't. It just so happened to be an added benefit. And I actually didn't know how great he was as a carpenter until after we got married. And so to be able to have a carpenter work as my husband in this industry has been absolutely amazing. It also comes with its own challenges, don't get me wrong, but one thing for sure is we have the same goal in mind, and we always finish as a team. And so it's just a great industry to be in, whether you are looking for something on the side to do, but if you're looking to go into entrepreneurship, real estate is the way to go, especially if you're looking to make money and not have a cap on how much you can make.
Unlimited.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Oh man, guys, congratulations on your
Thank you.
success, and I wish you much more. And this is what we have to, promote in the community, right? 'Cause,
Correct.
our community, we know where we are in the world, and we know what we have to do. So, I'm proud to speak to people like yourselves who are actually being a really good example of what to do to move our community forward. So, congratulations and much success to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care.